go to.
Okay. Good morning, Lucia. This is your interview. Today is December 11th, 2015. So, Lucia, let me ask you, are you excited for school?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Why are you excited for school on Monday?
Because Sylvie gets to go in the other room, and I love them to take care of her, and I really like her, and I really like people to take care of Sylvie, and I really love to play at schools.
Yeah? What do you think you're going to do at school?
I think I'm gonna paint because there's paint boxes there. Remember you saw them?
I do remember that, yes.
And I think I'm gonna build this block. And remember there's a kitchen with phones, or pretend phones there.
Oh, yes.
And they have buttons you can press. And what else?
I don't know what else. Playground? There's a playground and animals?
Yeah, animals. And I love to feed animals because last time when I went to the zoo with Sissy and Michael, there was a giraffe and I gave him some food.
Really?
And I gave food to the goats. You remember Grandma handed out the food to my hand and I gave them to the belly goats.
Yes, I do remember that. That was a fun zoo.
Huh?
We should go back to that zoo.
That's it.
What do you mean that's it? Oh, I want to ask you about your trip. You know you're getting ready to travel.
Oh yeah.
Where are we traveling to?
Grandma Joe's and Grandma Lisa's.
And that's going to be a long trip, isn't it?
Yeah, but I can watch movies.
Are you excited?
And eat snacks.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What's going to happen up there?
I get to see my cousins, and I get to bring my sleeping bag and go night-night, and it's going to be dark.
What else, though? It's going to be Christmas.
And Christmas, I love to get presents. Santa's getting presents at my house. I get to see Santa, give him my list. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, and my birthday cake.
Your birthday cake?
Yeah, remember I said birthday cake?
What kind of birthday cake do you want?
Chocolate.
For which birthday? Which birthday's next?
My 5th birthday month.
Your 5 what?
Birthday.
All right, I think you've had enough of the interview.
No, another one.
Okay, say one more thing that you like. What's your favorite food?
Cheerios.
Cheerios?
Uh-huh.
And
Rice Krispies.
what's your favorite restaurant?
Pizza place.
Okay, say bye-bye.